Calculator in a dream. A calculator represents social order, conformity, and uprightness. Seeing a calculator in a dream also reflects one's own state and conduct. If the frame and beads are in a good condition, operate smoothly and smell fragrant in the dream, the calculator then denotes one's uprightness and good conduct. If they look dirty, greasy and rough to handle in the dream, then they denote the ill management of one's life or business. If one sees a calculator in such a condition in his dream, it may also represent unsanitary food preparation, a greasy spoon restaurant, or it could mean abating the declared weight or value of a merchandise. A calculator in a dream also may represent a well-behaved child, a student, a teacher, or a judge. If one turns into a calculator in a dream, it means an illness or a calamity. A calculator in a dream also means that one's patience, contentment and trust in God Almighty will reserve him a generous